Good day to everyone. I am Mrs. Rizale Anti Madrio, and together with me are Mr. Peter Jean S. Delisay and Mr. Melchor C. Pomarejos. And together, we are here to present to you our action research entitled Integration of Digital Text and Online Media to the Project Go Basa, Goldener's Bridging Assessment in Reading for Struggling Readers through Strategic Approach to increase the reading comprehension of Grade 4 FCES pupils. For the context and rationale, Project Go Basa is an intervention program of Felipe Calderon to improve the literacy and reading comprehension of grade 4 learners. It helps language teachers in improving the reading skills to achieve a common goal, which is anchored in DepEd's national program that aims to make every Filipino child a reader at his or her own level. This program intends to increase the reading ability of the identified learners with reading difficulties, specifically in word recognition, vocabulary, and comprehension. For our context and rationale, based on the PhilErie conducted by the teachers of Felipe Calderon Elementary School in grade 4, 70 students are under frustration level. Data is alarming, hence, the reading intervention program designed to address the struggling readers. For our action research questions, number 1, what is the comprehension level of the respondents before and after the intervention program was implemented? Second, is there a significant difference on the comprehension level of the participants before and after the pre and post test? And last, what proposed reading materials can be formulated to improve the Project Go Basa? For our research design, quasi-experimental method will be utilized in this study. It designs attempts to establish a cause and effect relationship. Furthermore, it aims to evaluate intervention, but that do not use randomization. For our sampling technique, we use purposive sampling with the following predetermined criteria. Number 1, enrolled in Felipe Calderon Elementary School for grade 4 school year 2022 to 2023. Number 2, it is under the frustration level of pre-assessment using PhilErie and was conducted by the reading teachers at Felipe Calderon Elementary School.
Data analysis plan, following statistical treatments were utilized. For question number 1, which is the comprehension level of respondents before and after the intervention program was implemented? Frequency count, percentage or mean, and standard deviation were employed. Question number 2, which are the significant difference in the academic performance comprehension level before and after the pre and post test, and the significant difference between the academic performance and the comprehension level before and after the intervention program? Frequency count, percentage or mean, standard deviation, per t-tests were employed. Table shows the students' reading comprehension level before and after the intervention program. Before the intervention, all the participants were in the frustration level. After the given intervention, 8 of the participants, which is 11% of the population, were promoted to instructional level. Which participants benefited most from their teacher-directed training in reading? Apparently, 89% of the respondents remain under frustration. This table shows the comparison comprehension level of the respondents before and after the intervention program. The proposed innovation, intervention, and strategy has 4 stages. Stage 1, initial screening using the PhilErie group screening test. Stage 2, administration of PhilErie graded passages or the pre-test. Stage 3, intervention of Project Go Basa, which is divided into 4 wave strategies. First wave, single strategy instruction, Second wave, instruction in multiple strategies. Third wave, instruction in transactional strategies. And the fourth wave, dialogue-based methodologies. And for the last stage, administration of repeated passages or the post-test. Here are the sample of the reading materials that we use during the pre-test and the post-test of the Project Go Basa. The conclusion of our study, 11% of the population were promoted to instructional reading level. Apparently, 89% of the respondents remained under frustration. The academic performance post-test mean is 6.82 and the standard deviation which is 1.57 and the t-value is 6.50 which had led to the decision of rejecting the null hypothesis. The significant p-value is 0.00 which had led to an interpretation of significant. Here's the recommendation of our study. Number 1, it's more academic motivation on male students. Number 2, strengthen the implementation of Project Go Basa. Number 3, satellite learning center and teacher volunteers. Number 4, creation of more digitalized and creative reading materials to increase the reading comprehension of students. And for the references of our study, here are as follows. Thank you for listening and God bless.